So we've had a lot of requests for setting up the auto roll feature inside of ClashPerk on Discord. So that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to show you how to set up the auto roll feature inside of ClashPerk for your Discord. Anyway, let's jump up here and show you how to get it set up. So we're going to be showing you how to set up the auto roll function inside of Discord. We're going to be using my test Discord and my Gamers Lounge clan inside of Clash to be able to show you how to do this. But the first thing you'll need to do is set up the roles that you want to automatically apply to your members, co-leaders, and leaders of the clan. So go right here. You're going to go to server settings. You're going to go and find roles. As you can see right here, we've got our ClashPerk role. This role needs to be above all the commands or all the roles that you're going to be using. So we got clan leader, we've got co-leader, and we got a Town Hall 13 role. You can set up as many or as little as you want. Personally, I would set up the clan leader, co-leaders, and member roles. And if you would have additional roles for town halls, that will automatically be applied whenever someone joins your clan. You can create those as well. But for today's video, and for simplicity's sakes, we're going to be using these three roles right here to be able to set up auto roles. So let's just go ahead and create a new role. And you can call it whatever you want for today's video. We're going to erase this. We're going to call this role member, because you at least want to have a member role. That way, when you have new players or you have players inside of your clan that are not co-leaders or elders or anything like that, you're going to want them to assign the auto role of member. So let's just make this color purple. We need to slide this all the way up. Right there, we're going to hit save changes. And we're going to hit escape. So now we have a few roles made. We've got clan leader. And let me just show you exactly what it's going to look like. Here's my account. As you can see, it says CGamer, and I am the clan leader, and I'm also a Town Hall 13. So I always apply the top role first. As you can see, it's clan leader is going to be my top role. In the event that I was a Town Hall 17, it will apply the Town Hall 17 role instead of applying the Town Hall 13 if I had created a Town Hall 17 role. But in this case here, I only did Town Hall 13. So now that we have our roles created for our Discord, we need to go through the process of linking all of our town halls to our Discord account. So the first step, and you have to have every one of your members do this. So if they have multiple town halls, they need to link every one of their town halls to their Discord account. So what you need to do first is type /link, and it should be pop up this one here. We're going to go create. We're going to use a player tag. And it's pretty much all you're going to do is copy and paste your player tag inside of here. In this case, this is for my Town Hall 8. It's already linked to my account, but I'm just going to show you how it's done. So press enter once you get your account in there. And we have successfully linked CGamer 8 to my Discord account, CGamer. Now, once you've gone through the process of linking all your accounts to your Discord account, you can go ahead and check by doing /profile. And it's going to show you all the accounts that you have linked to your Discord account. So in this case, we're going to go user. And I'm going to do CGamer. And then all you have to do is press enter. It'll think about it for a minute, and then once it pops up, it'll show you all the accounts that you have that are currently linked to your Discord account. So after you get all of your accounts linked to your Discord account, you can go ahead and set a default account. So let's go ahead and hit set default. And it's going to ask you which one you want to set as your default account. So in my case, my Town Hall 17, I want to set it. So that is the one I have set right there. So if you scroll back up, CGamer Revise is going to be my default account. So after you do this, you now need to go through the process of actually setting up the auto roll feature for your Discord. So basically all you're going to do again, /auto roll. Let's go ahead, auto roll clan roles. It's going to give you an option. You're going to go to CGamer's Lounge. In this case, that's the clan I have linked. And you can set up the leader role, co-leader role, elder role, and member roles as well. So for our case, we're going to say leader role. We're going to choose clan leader. You can add another one as well. We're going to do co-leader. So there's our co-leader. You can add additional one as well. You can add elder or member. Member in this case because we created it. There is member. And once you get all the roles that you want to use for auto clan roles, you're going to go ahead and press enter. Once it's thinking about it, it successfully enabled auto roles for one clan, in this case, CGamer's Lounge. So now that we've set up the auto roll feature for our Discord, now we need to go through the process of actually configuring the auto roles for our clan. So we're going to do slash auto role. You're going to choose config. And we're going to go auto update roles. We want to set this to yes. That way it automatically updates roles as people join Discord, or as we have new members who join our clans. So after you choose yes, you have additional options as well. You can set a role removal delay. For us, for example, we have our Dynasty family of clans, and we jump back and forth during CWL because we run mixed CWLs in one clan and Town Hall 17 in another clan, and you don't want those roles removed. So what we can do is go choose role removal delays, set the amount of time before their role was actually removed, and it goes all the way up to 12 days. But since CWL only lasts 7, we can go ahead and choose 7. Our next option is role addition delays. This is how long we want to wait when someone joins our clan before they will receive a role on Discord. So let's go ahead and role addition. This time it is a little bit shorter. You can have 1 hour, you can turn it off completely, or all the way up to 24 hours. So let's go ahead and hit 24. Our next option is our roles that will be excluded from delay. For example, you don't want to delay the member role, so let's go ahead and set delay. You can choose town hall roles, builder hall roles, league roles, builder league roles. You can hit up a whole host of roles for your Discord, but we're going to go ahead and hit town hall roles. And we can always force refresh roles. So in the event like the clan, someone logs out or either someone leaves the clan, it will automatically force a refresh of the roles. That way they're always certain to have a role for Discord. Your next option that we're going to be looking at is now allow not linked. So if you notice at the start, we linked accounts to our Discord. In the event that you don't want to have players, that don't have accounts linked to their Discord profile, you can enable this option. I personally wouldn't set this one on because it allows anyone to be able to have a member role apply to them, even if their account is not linked to their Discord role. And then our next option that is available is verified only clan roles. And what this does is you have to choose the API, and it will only allow members who have verified that they're a member of the clan to be able to add it to a role. You can choose to enable this or disable this or not use it at all. But for today, we're not going to be using that. So let's go ahead and hit enter. Now that we've got the options chosen that we want for our auto role. So press enter. Thinks about it for a minute. And now the options that are available: auto update roles are enabled. Verified only is disabled. Force refresh is disabled. Allow not link is disabled. Role removal is 7 days. Role addition delays is 1 day. And then we have a delay exclusion list, verified role account, link role, and town hall roles as well. The next option that we're going to be looking at is for the auto town role. Auto town role, what this feature is, as you can see right here, we've got a town hall 13. You can apply a town hall role to a person in the event that they have a town hall 13 specifically. Me, I have multiple accounts, so it really doesn't make sense that I apply all those roles, but just for today's video, I did it as a town hall 13 because my account that is linked to this Discord is a town hall 13. And as you see, we have clan leader because that account is a clan leader and is also a town hall 13 as well. But we're going to go through and show you how to do it as well, just in case you want to set this up. So scroll down again. We're going to type in auto role once more. We're going to go to town hall, and we can include the town hall levels that we want. 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way up to town hall 17. And you can also add to option to allow non-family accounts as well, which in this case here, it would be someone who is not associated with your clan to have a specific town hall role. So we already got town hall role 13 set up. So let's choose that. We're going to go through here. We're going to choose town hall 13 because that is a role we created for town hall 13. After you do that, you can press enter. And now we have the option for the role for town hall 13s to be applied to a person's Discord account once you set it up. You can set up additional roles for, again, 1 through 17. But again, it gets really cluttery if you do it this way. So my personal preference is leaving this one disabled. That way you don't have to worry about having multiple tags on a person's account. There are a whole host of auto role features that you can do for your clan. These are the most common ones that people are going to be looking at. What town hall level are you? What your rank is inside of the clan. But let's just look at the other ones briefly real quick. So you can go ahead and hit auto roll, and it gives you all the options that are available to you. Like for instance, we have our town hall role, which we just did. We got builder halls as well. In the event that you want to have someone with a max level builder hall, they can have that role as well. You can have the builders league, which however high they are in the builder base league. You can actually disable all clan roles for the auto role feature by using auto role disable. And these are all the ones that are available, family roles, leagues, auto role list. That will list all the roles and settings that you have set up in Discord for your particular clan. You can also set auto roles for wars as well. But again, just go through here, set up the roles that you choose that you want, and then you can go back and apply all of these by doing the auto role config and setting them up this way. And this is just how easy it is to set up the auto role features on your Discord for your Clash of Clans clan. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. And as always, much love, and we'll see you soon.